Good afternoon, Maguire's family. My name is Mason Stamen, and today I'm presenting this 2019 Nissan Rogue Sport. This Rogue Sport only has 17,000 miles, is equipped with black leather seats, heated seats, heated steering wheel, eco mode, all-wheel drive lock, large center screen, dual climate control, USB aux 12 volt. Put it into reverse. You can see it is equipped with not only a reverse camera, but a 360-degree camera. Also on the shifter, you have your select drive modes. Look, change gears right there. We'll take a step into the back seats. Black leather, no rips, tears, stains, or scuffs. 2 vents in the back. Finally into the cargo area of the vehicle. Lots of space, lifting privacy cover. Storage underneath. Alright. So this was the 2019 Nissan Rogue Sport with only 17,000 miles. If anybody is interested, please come down Maguire's Ford and Lincoln in Palmyra, Pennsylvania and ask for Mason Stamen. Thank you so much, guys.